Hi guys, welcome back. I know it's been a minute. I hope everyone had a beautiful Thanksgiving and a wonderful holiday, and we're on to the next, which is Christmas. It is my all-time favorite holiday season. Just everything about December and Christmas just brings so much joy to my heart, and I'm a festive person. I know last time I got ready and we ended up staying in, which I love that, don't get me wrong, but I need to run some errands. You guys are the best audience to come with me and shop and browse around. We're not gonna go Christmas decor shopping. It's more of me prepping for a Christmas gathering that I'm throwing. I do have some stuff, but I need to get more little things so you guys could tag along with me. So let's go. So buckle up, Buttercup. We're gonna go get a coffee right now at Starbucks. Usually I get Starbucks, I wanna say 1 to 2 times a week. And I haven't gotten Starbucks in 2 weeks. Like, who is this person? I don't know this girl.
Hi, good morning. Any food or pastries today?
Hi, good morning. Do you guys have that turkey Danish?
Yeah, the turkey sage. Anything else?
Yes, can I get a grande cold brew with vanilla?
Yeah, did you want to do the vanilla sugar cold brew?
Can I just do the sugar cookie foam on top and add salt to the foam?
Salt?
Yes.
Okay, so it's the sugar cookie cold foam. You want to add a pack of salt in there. And then, sorry, did you say you wanted sugar-free vanilla in there or regular vanilla?
Regular vanilla.
Regular vanilla, you got it. Anything else?
No, that's it.
Okay, cool. 11.65 at the window. Thank you.
Thank you.
Once again, as in olden days, happy golden days.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Okay, so this is how the coffee looks. I love this ombre look right now. I got one of those new turkey sage Danish. It's good. Okay, so this is the itinerary. Oh my gosh. This is the to-do list. I want to go to Dollar Tree. I want to go to Five Below and Marshall's. But let's get going. I'm going to leave my coffee in here. I'm just going to take another sip here because I cannot walk, vlog, and carry a purse at the same time. I'm sorry. I'm not built like that. So I'm walking into Dollar Tree. They are fully stocked on Christmas stuff. It's so exciting because they're always sold out with everything. And they even have these coloring books. I'm trying to find a word search one because I really love doing word search. But they have just like the multiple ones. They even have Elf in the Shelf. Okay, I'm looking at their bags. If I have to say anything, I just love this one right here, the Jolly Jingle Vibes. And even this one right here, the Glory to the King. Oh my goodness, they have pretty bags. I haven't been to Dollar Tree in forever. Okay, I am gonna take one of these bows because we are doing a game. So one of these. Okay, they even have Christmas cards, a 12-piece. How cute. And this one has like a variety of them. Gift boxes. I'm telling you, they're fully stocked. I'm shook because they're always sold out. Oh my goodness, look at this one right here. This cute little tag. That is adorable. I like this penguin. It's cute. They even have this cute little snowman one. And Santa Claus. Okay, so they have candy. Let's look around. Anything that grabs my attention? Let's see. Ooh, spotted some peeps. Set this down. I think I'm taking these hooks because I would not remember where I left the other ones. Okay, they have these snowman ones. Oh, they have the tree. The tree is going in the basket. And some Mike and Ike. Let's take 2. Let's take 2. loving all this tinsel. I just walked into Five Below. Let's see what they have. Ooh, look, they even have these holiday earrings. Some gingerbread ones for $4. Cute. And then they have this little pom-pom one with the bow on top, all tinseled. Look at these PJs, the one with the goose, the geese. They even have a croissant one. How funny. Okay, they even have this print one. I love it. Look at the tree being cute and festive. And then I like this checkered one right here. They even have the holiday shirts. I love it. Look, they have the Grinch. They have Elf. They have Mickey. They have Snoopy. And look at the Hello Kitty one. Look at this one that says Candy Cane Cutie. Okay, these are the cutest. I think this one has to be my favorite, this Holly Jolly Energy. That is me for sure. But then this one too, Slay Girl, Slay. So adorable. What do you guys think about these? They are plastic, just letting you know. A little bit of that metal tin, but more plastic. Okay, so just left Five Below. I didn't find what I needed, so I am gonna go to Marshall's next. I want the traveling cups, but also kind of just want to go to Old Navy really quick just to see what they have. No, let's go to Marshall's. I can't. Let's go to Marshall's. Okay, I'm a liar. I ended up coming to Old Navy. It was just right here next to it, so let's go to Old Navy. A sip before going in. It gets better and better. Okay, I ended up taking my sweater off because it got really hot. Now, I wanted to share the bag that I got, as you saw in the beginning of this video, and it is from Babylon Leather. Reached out to me and they wanted to do a collaboration, partner with me with this video, and show you little clips of how I sewed this bag together. So this is the bag that I chose. It is a emerald green baguette bag, and I think it's everything. Love the color that I chose. I'll have everything linked in the description box, but I think this is amazing to know that you could sew your own purse or bag. But I'm not gonna lie, I did have a bump on the road. There was a certain part where it was a little difficult for me, but just because I have some carpal tunnel. But other than that, I think it's a fun project to do, especially if you're crafty. I actually want to do more stuff where I could work with my hands, even though I do struggle with that. I also think having projects and keeping your mind busy is very important, but making yourself a purse, like, come on, that's something to brag about. Like, and I think this color emerald green is perfect for Christmas. I love this deep color. Now with Babylon Leather, I think it's cool because it does have a tutorial on what purse bag you're gonna do, which comes in handy, and their hardware is great quality. They have step-by-step tutorial like I mentioned. What do you guys think about this project? I think it's actually pretty cool. It took me around 4 to 5 days, to be honest. I even think this is a great gift for someone who's crafty, or you could build it yourself and give it to that person. Thank you once again, Babylon, for collabing with me, and we're gonna get back to browsing around the stores. Okay, so I'm walking into Marshall's and they have board games. I was looking for something Christmassy and look what I spotted, this family bingo. They have an elf one. Let me pull it out so you guys could see, but I'm taking this one. It's the last one. I was trying to see if they had a Charlie Brown one. Look how cute that elf one is too. But Grinch, of course, classic, has to come with me. Okay, so I spotted the traveling cups. They have this one right here with the peppermints and candy canes. And on the sleeve it says visions of sugar plums dance in their heads. How cute. $4.99. Let's keep looking to see if there's any cuter ones. Oh, I like this one with Rudolph, and it's like a candy cane striped swirl one. Not really grabbing my attention. Okay, there's this one. Love the pink and red, and this one says Merry Christmas. I think this one has to come with me for sure, so we'll add it to the cart. They do have these polka dotted ones, but it's not grabbing my attention. We have this Christmas tree one, super cute as well. I also need to get some napkins, so let's find some cute little napkins. Oh my goodness, look, there's Snoopy. If I was doing a Snoopy theme, this would have been so cute. But I'm doing just traditional. Okay, I'm loving this red checkerboard one with the red Christmas trees, green Christmas trees. And then I also have this nutcracker one, which is so cute as well. Let's see. They even have this one, Merry Christmas. They have a lot of stuff here. Okay, also found this one that says Fizz the Season, so I'm just gonna put 2 of these and then browse around still because I don't know which one I'm gonna take. So let's keep browsing. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with these clips. And they are from Piper K. This bundle right here is $7.99. I love it. But I don't need any more. I'm shocked. Guys, you are seeing the first of Valentine's. Okay, we're going back to Christmas. Let's skip Valentine's. Okay guys, so I just got home, but I feel like I have to give these dogs a little snack. They've been home all day and they're kind of bored, and I know they want a Christmassy snack. Okay, my dog's been waiting all day for this, so pobrecitas, poor them. Let me get them some cookies. Oh, they know, huh, Kiwi? You know you're gonna get a treat, huh? Yum. Next. Yummy cookies. Now I'm gonna share all the stuff that I got. Nothing big. I just wanted to do a little bit of shopping, little grabs, little essentials. Okay, so let's start off with this section right here. This Merry Christmas traveling cups. I love it. Love the red and pink stripe. I needed a planner. My dear friend Mika, she has a planner. She has the cutest little things, and she inspired me to get this. Not this one specific, but just her doing the planner, because honestly I need it. It's like a must, especially if I'm trying to be organized. I need this. I got some Mike and Ike candy for movie nights. I got the family bingo from the Grinch. I think it's so cute. I also got these bells for a certain Christmas game we're gonna do. I got these honey roasted peanuts for my husband. He loves these. More ornament hooks from the Dollar Tree. I had to grab some cups for the mocktails I'm gonna do. And then I got the perfect little napkins for the mocktails. This one says Fizz the Season, and I just love it. It's so cute. And the Peeps. The Peeps is a must. especially if they're Christmas trees. Okay, my next video is gonna be me doing this Christmas little get together. I'm probably not gonna vlog the whole thing. I'm just gonna do how I prep it. So comment down below and let me know if you're excited for that. Comment, let me see, just so I can know you guys are really watching my videos. Comment a snowflake. Give me a snowflake and whatever Christmas emojis you guys like. And that's gonna be it with today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos to come. With all that said, have a cozy day, guys.